Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram on your mobile device. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into your Instagram on your mobile device, go to any web browser and type in instagram.com, and search. Doing so will take you to Instagram login site. Now tap on the login button to log into your account. You can continue logging in with your Facebook account as well, but in case you want to log in using your username and password, enter your email, your username, or your phone number. Anyone will do. Simply enter it now in the next field. Enter your password for your Instagram. In case you forgot the password, click on Forgot Password link, provided right below the password box. After you are done, tap on the login button. If you want to save your login info, simply tap on Save Info. If not, tap on Not Now, and you'll be logged into your Instagram account on your mobile device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.